Good evening, everyone. My name is Joseph Henry Lee. My extemporaneous speech. I want to share my stand about some of the rising issues that continue to affect our country. Ghost flood control projects, substandards, in infrastructures and higher taxes among Filipino workers and consumers. These issues might sound political, but in truth, they affect our everyday lives, from the safety of our homes to the money we earn and spend. Let me start with ghost flood control projects. We've seen in it many times in the news. Billions of pesos are allocated for projects that are either delayed, incomplete, or worse, never even built. These are called ghost projects because they exist only on paper, not in reality. Imagine that taxpayers' money is disappearing into thin air while ordinary Filipino continue to suffer during floods. My stand is simple. This is not just a case of corruption. It's a case of betrayal when funds that are meant to protect people from disasters are stolen. Lives are literally put at risk. People lose their homes, their safety, and sometimes their lives. We deserve accountability. Government officials involved in these ghost projects must face legal consequence, not just administrative penalties. Next, let's talk about substandard infrastructures, classrooms, road, bridge, and other public facilities that easily break down after a few years or even months. We see cracks on newly built roads, leaking roofs in newly built schools, and bridges that collapse before they even open. This issue reflect, reflects poor planning and a lack of integrity in the construction process. When contractors use low quality materials or rush construction just to meet deadlines or pocket more profit, they are putting lives at risk again. As a concerned citizen, my recommendation is clear. We must strengthen the monitoring and inspection system of public works. Let's require independent audits of infrastructure projects and make sure the results are public. Transparency must be the norm, not the exception. Now let's move to higher taxes on Filipino workers and consumers. Many Filipinos are struggling to make ends meet, yet the prices of goods keep going up, and so do the taxes. While it's true that taxes are necessary to fund government projects and services, the problem lies in how those taxes are used. We pay so much, But what do we get in return? For service crumbling in structures and corruption scandals. I believe the government should resist, resist, reassess its tax policy, not to burden the poor but to ensure the big corporation and corrupt official pay their fair share. Let's push for a tax system that is just transparent and truly beneficial to the people. So what can we, the citizen, do? We can start by staying informed, speaking up, and holding leader accountable. Every peso we pay in tax is a part of our hard work, and it shall be treated with respect. Let's demand transparency and let's vote wisely compassion to end the speech. I want to leave a silver lining, a reminder that not everything is hopeless. Despite despite all these problems, we Filipino have something that no amounts of corruption can take away: our resilience, our unity, and our hope. If we continue to speak up to care and to act little by little, we can build a nation that is honest, strong, and truly of the people.